Hi! With the holiday season in full swing, broken appliances can be a disaster, and few will affect your festivities like a broken refrigerator. What exactly does a malfunctioning fridge mean? Well, first, it translates to a whole lot of spoiled figgy pudding and fruitcake. You're going to lose out on well-intentioned edible gifts that can't last at room temperature. Second, problems with your refrigerator will make hosting any gatherings next to impossible. Good luck impressing the in-laws when you're serving takeout on Christmas Eve. That's where a home warranty plan comes into play. When you experience problems with your appliances, TotalProtect will help save the holidays by sending out a pre-screened technician to take care of the repair. Thanks for joining us, and happy holidays.